Greens 1-0, how's everyone doing? I hope well. You're probably asking yourselves, what the heck's a hoop? Here are those hoops again. They kind of have a familiar shape. A little bit of water to rinse out the sides and the bottom. Plus getting a little moisture in the Alright, I ended up taking the simmer ring off because it was just taking too damn long to get hot. Well, I'll just have to stir it more often and just keep a close eye on it so it doesn't scorch the bottom. And we don't want to burn our scoops or hoops. Because nobody wants a burned hoop. Alrighty, now we're finally getting up to temp. That should be good enough. I don't need them scorching. Let's pop the simmer ring back on and save some fluid. Alright. Alrighty. So, truth be told, I bought these on Name Alone. I saw hoops and I was like, what the heck is a hoop? Looked at the can and I said, yeah, they look just like SpaghettiOs, except they're all one size, so they're not like SpaghettiOs where I have multiple sizes. So that's probably how they were able to get away with making them. And they're made by Heinz, so hopefully that will show on the camera. Kind of interesting. Now I already know how they taste because I tasted the spoon to see if it was hot yet. But we'll get some noodle in there. The verdict? Bland. Super bland. Oh my god. I already knew that because I tasted it, but my god. There is like... SpaghettiOs are far superior in flavor. Fortunately, I bought my little screw top from Dollar Store. Got some Slap Ya Mama and some black pepper. This seriously needs some help. It is bland AF. So I don't know, Heinz. Get with the program, man. I mean, maybe, I don't know, just, it needed something. See if that helped it. Yeah, that helped. Yeah, I definitely needed some, a shot of seasoning. Okay, so what I did is I was doing another video on a backpack, so spoiler, and let this cool down a little bit. And I'm not enjoying these. I gotta be honest. The spices helped, but the overall flavor of the hoop is just like, I'm gonna toss that in the trash. I hate wasting food, but yeah, it's not very good. So I wouldn't recommend hoops. You know, maybe it needed something, but You know, I could open a can of SpaghettiOs, and they would be good right out of the can. So, there you go. So anyway, thanks for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I look forward to reading them, and I will catch you on the next one. So peace out.